Hey, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Well, I'm telling you, if you need something heavy duty, this is it. Take a look at this chuck just to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jaws on the chuck. Now that might scare a lot of people, but they're all actuated by one chuck key. There's nothing going to be stronger than 6 fingers holding on to your piece rather than a 3 or 4 jaw. You could always change out the jaws, but that's why somebody had put this on here. They have reversible jaws here. You can move them around, take them off, but they all move in the same time, which makes it really easy to put a piece in and make sure that it's held really well. You can see the rest of this machine is built just as beefy as this really expensive chuck that somebody put on here. Really nice heavy duty machine. It's made by Supertec. It has a 1-axis digital readout. It has a 2-axis controller here, but only 1 axis is working. You'll see when I turn this one, you're gonna manually do this, which is usually more of a micro process, and then your longitudinal is gonna work right there. And we'll show you, we can put our carriage here into threading. We'll put it in a feed mode. Right here we have a longitudinal feed. You got a quick change knob here. Pull it out and it puts you into your cross feed. Another unique feature about this lathe is it has a variable speed knob, so there's not a ton of things you're going to be changing here. You're just going to increase your knob speed, which I'll do that very, very slowly. You can hear that. You also have your indicator right here telling you your RPM. I'll bring that back down. How much better can you get? Brake works great. Really nice running machine. It's got a nice size bore. Again, this chuck is something magnificent. Don't be scared of it. It does work really easily. And if you want to change it, just put another one on there and you can do the 3 or 4 jaw. But it's built for heavy duty type material. You'll also notice right here, there is a gap allowing you to take it out, put a faceplate, and swing an even larger piece. This entire area comes out of the lathe, allowing you to put some oblong pieces or some other pieces in there. Now, you can take a look here. We have a lot of different lathes in stock, all different sizes, mills and lathes. We'd love to work with you. Let us know what you're even looking for, what kind of machines you're looking for. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.